Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can fix PALWORLD crashing on Steam or not launching. So the first thing you can do is obviously update your drivers. This is not the only solution, but we're going to start from here. So you can go into your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card and check for updates. If you see that you're having some updates available, you can select them and download it. Then you can restart your PC, relaunch Steam again. So this is the first method. Next up, you can go to your library, right click on the game, select properties, and in here in general you want to select -dx11 inside the launch options. Next up, you're gonna go to install files and check for verify integrity of the game files and select that as well. Once this is running out, you can close it, and there's one more version that you can check. You can select the Redist in the Google and select the second link from here. And this is your updated redistribution versions. You want to get x86 and x84 by selecting the links on the right side of them. After getting that, restart your PC once again and relaunch Steam. I hope this video was helpful and it did help you out starting your PALWORLD game. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.